In this video, I'll show you how you can add admins on ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to give administrative permissions to some of your members on your ClickUp account or Workspace, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your Workspace name here and click on it. From here, head to settings, and this will go ahead and list these sidebar options. Under this, go ahead and click on people, and this will list all the members of this ClickUp account. However, you can see we have here roles. Only one person here is the owner, and I'd like to add an admin. And for this, I'd like to add this and assign them a different purpose. So I'd like to change this just from being a member to an admin. So I'll go ahead and click on admin here. Once you click on admin, now the member will have more control of this account. So that's how you can add admins on your ClickUp account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.